In this video, I will deploy the Bookshop app in Amazon Web Services using the Elastic Beanstalk platform. If you go to aws.amazon.com, you can create a free account with tons of good services and features. Just make sure you read what are the free features to avoid being charged. To create a new account will just take few minutes, and I really encourage you to give it a try if you never used Amazon Web Services. Alright, before you start using the platform, you need to accomplish a couple of tasks to set up your account. First one, as I said, is to create a new account. Secondly, you need to create a user if you don't have one, and give enough permissions to administrate your cloud and deploy your apps. Finally, you need to install the Elastic Beanstalk command line tool to manage your cloud from terminal. The first step is pretty straightforward, so I will show you only the second and third task that you need to accomplish. Okay, once you set up your account, go to aws.amazon.com and sign in to the console. To set up a new user, scroll down to Security, Identity and Compliance and select IAM. From the menu, select User and then Add User. Specify a username. I don't need to use this user to access the management console. For that I have the user I set up already for my own account. In here I just want to give you visibility to the process of creating new users. Okay, then next, now I have to add the user to a group, and I will create a new group. First, I will give a name, and then for this example, I will give a broad policy to access and manage my Elastic Beanstalk. So I will select the policy called AWS Elastic Beanstalk Full Access. Then I select Next, and I receive my security credentials. Download the CSV file and store it in a safe place in your computer, because you will be asked this credential the first time you use it from a new machine. If you forget your secret access key, you will not be able to recover your original keys, and the only option will be to create new keys for this user. If you open the CSV file, you will see that you get all keys in there. I have no problems to show you mine, as I'm going to disable straightforward those keys. And I hope I gave you enough visibility to the process of creating users on your own account. Now we only need to know how to install the Elastic Beanstalk command line tool. Well, just Google it and you get a link to the documentation, and it tells you that you need to have pip and support a version of Python. But if you scroll all the way down, you will find the links to the guidelines for the different operation systems. I'm on a Mac, and the process is pretty easy if you have Homebrew installed. Indeed, you can just need to update Homebrew and then run the command brew install AWS EB CLI, and then just run EB version to verify the tool was installed correctly.